Hachi, A Dog's Tale, 2009, is a British-American drama film, based on the true story. Directed by Lasse Hallström. A college professor who finds an abandoned dog and takes the poor lost animal in. The film follows the two as the man and animal soon form a strong and unexplainable bond. If you're an animal lover or have a dog, you will cry your eyes out on this movie. About a dog who is faithful to his master even after his death. Red Dog, 2011, is an Australian drama film based on the legendary true story of the Red Dog, written by Daniel Taplitz and directed by Kriv Stenders. The film revolves around how a dog develops a strong bond with Grant, who becomes his true master. Eight Below, 2006, is an American survival drama film, directed by Frank Marshall. Jerry and his sled dogs are in the Antarctic on an expedition. However, a heavy snowstorm forces him to leave the base without his dogs. When his mission is called off, the dogs are left all alone. Hearty Paws, 2006, is a South Korean drama film directed by Park Eun-hyung. An 11-year-old boy and his 6-year-old sister live alone, hoping that their mother will return. One day the boy steals a puppy and gives it to his sister as a birthday present. Marley and Me, 2008, is an American comedy drama film about the titular dog, Marley. It was directed by David Frankel. A happily married couple's life changes after they adopt a dog named Marley, who with his antics manages to teach them important life lessons. Subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon, so you'll never miss any new update from my channel.